In this video, we're going to cover all the Rhinox buckets and attachments that work on a 1.5 tonne or £3,000 mini excavator. First of all, we're going to cover the Rhinox digging bucket range. This comes from 6-inch through to 24-inch buckets. All of these buckets come with bolt-on teeth, a bolt-on edge, and then reinforced leading edge on the sides, and then round the back we have wear straps, and then on the top we have the Rhinox transportation hooks. These make it very easy to transport buckets and attachments around a site. Finally, both the 9-inch and the 12-inch buckets can be fitted with the Rhinox Unitas system, and this protects the front leading edge and helps deflect away from services and cable strikes. Secondly, we have the Rhinox grading bucket. For the 1.5 tonne, this comes with a leading edge as standard. We have a cutting edge fitted. As standard, it doesn't have bolt holes, but we can have bolt holes as requested. It has also the Rhinox side protection, which doubles up as a badge. These grading buckets come in 36, 39 and a 48-inch as requested. Thirdly, we have the Rhinox tilt grading bucket. This comes in a 36-inch width, and it has profiled rears to help when doing complex grading, which you can go from 45 degrees one side to 45 degrees the other way. So fourthly, we have the quick hitch. This is to speed up bucket changes, and it also protects the bucket links and the pins and bushes from being damaged when direct mounting a bucket and you're driving the pins in and out. We also have another range of attachments that complement the core range that would come as standard with the excavator. First of all, we have the micro trenching bucket. This comes in 3-inch right through to 6-inch, both in 15 inches deep and 27 inches deep. That is 400 and 700 mil. The main purpose of this attachment is to help reduce the amount of time to dig a narrow trench, and actually also reduces the amount of reinstatement that has to happen afterwards. Secondly, we have the ripper tooth. This product is used for tearing up hard ground, digging in and around stumps, so that you can remove the object from being stuck without damaging your main excavator attachments. We then have a range of ground clearance and preparation attachments. These include the Riddle Bucket shaker bucket, the land rake, and the rake riddle. So the Riddle Bucket, this is 24 inches wide and has narrow slots on the back for shaking out and removing materials. The next we have the land rake. This has thicker tines, and this is used for breaking up aggressive and harder grounds before you finish off, using something like the Rake Riddle Bucket that has the narrower tines, more of them, so that you can prep and finish the surface. These come in 36 inches both for the Rake Riddle and the land rake. The final attachment we have in this ground clearance and preparation is the grading beam. This comes in 48 inches wide and 60 inches wide. The main purpose of this is to level large areas such as driveways and paths, which if using a standard grading bucket would take considerably longer. We next have the clay spade. This attachment comes in 6, 9 and 12 inches widths, and it has no sides on it. It's cut right out, and this means that any sticky materials don't get clogged up and rammed in the back, reducing the amount of capacity whilst you're trying to dig a trench. So finally, we have the grave digging bucket. This comes in both 24 inches and 28 inches widths. This has a longer flat base, and the main purpose of this is to be able to dig a straight edge trench at full reach on a mini excavator. If you'd like to know more about the buckets and attachments in this video, please follow us on our channel here to find out more in-depth guides, and then don't forget to subscribe below so that you never miss another video. Come from 6-inch through to start again.